Have you ever felt lost in your own life? As if you were walking on a path full of thorns with no way out in sight? Have you ever wondered why bad things keep happening, like an endless spiral? Look into the eyes of the man in the video. There's sadness in his gaze, a deep, low voice, but behind that, there's an untapped strength, a determination that refuses to be defeated. He has faced pains that many can hardly imagine, losing loved ones, betrayal, and career failures. There were moments when he felt like his life was over, as if the light of hope had been extinguished. But instead of giving up, he chose to face his fate. He took time to explore himself, to understand his core values. He learned to forgive himself and those who had hurt him. This video delivers an inspiring message. Suffering is a part of life, but it doesn't define who you are. Let your pain become a source of motivation, a flame that helps you rise. Accept the pain. There's nothing wrong with feeling hurt. Instead of running away, confront it. Let it become a part of you. Find meaning in the pain. What valuable lessons can be learned from painful experiences? Pain can make you stronger, more insightful. Focus on the good things. Seek out joyful moments, the positives in life. Be grateful for what you have, and always look forward. Remember, you are not alone. Stay strong, find the light of hope, and believe that you can overcome any obstacle.